Hi, Mac Outlet here. In this video, we will show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to replace the battery on a MacBook Air. This is a very simple process, so don't be afraid. Anybody can do this. You can buy a replacement battery from us. It comes with everything you will need. Link in the description. Here is the battery and the 2 screwdrivers you will need. Before you proceed, make sure that you turn off the MacBook. We can now start removing the screws. The 2 top middle holes have larger screws. The rest 8 are smaller. It is very important to unplug the battery before unscrewing it. The top 3 holes have longer screws. We can now unscrew it. Carefully lift the battery and replace it with the new one. Screw it back together and it's all done. The top 3 holes have longer screws. The 2 top middle holes have larger screws. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like or a comment. And if you want to watch regular repair guides and Apple tech tips, please subscribe.